Hey everyone, welcome back to the signNow video guide with a new helpful tip on how electronic signatures can transform your day-to-day document workflows.
If you'd like to share a document via a short link without having to add signer email addresses, use signNow to generate a unique URL and share it with your recipients. Every user that has the link can access a document and sign their own copy. Signing links allow you to collect data and signatures by quickly sharing documents and forms on the web, in chats and messengers, or via email. Signers can access and complete your documents as long as the corresponding signing links are active. Start by uploading your document to signNow. Alternatively, you can use any document or template already stored in your account. Add signer roles and fillable fields using the toolbar on the left. Click Save and Close to save your changes and then return to the dashboard. Keep in mind that if you add one role, signers will be instantly redirected to complete the document in the signNow editor. If you add more than one role, the person who follows the link will be authorized to define signer roles and send signature invites to the corresponding recipients. To generate a new signing link, click Create Invite Link next to the document or template you intend to share. The link will appear in the pop-up window. Copy it and share it via any available communication channel. Use the checkboxes below the signing link to set the parameters for your signature invite. The person who follows your link will open your document in a browser tab where they can sign it online in seconds.
Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. signNow provides its users with a seamless e-signature experience anytime, anywhere, on any device. signNow's intuitive interface allows first-time users to create an account, upload documents, and send their first document for signing in minutes. No long training or downloads required. Break free from pricing plans with hidden costs for overages or renewals. With signNow, you only pay for what you use without overcharges for extra sends or templates. Close deals faster, improve your team collaboration, and get complete visibility into the document signing process using advanced functionality that is tailored to your needs. signNow is committed to protecting your sensitive information by complying with global, industry-specific security standards. On top of that, signNow easily integrates with the apps and CRM that you already use, close deals, and accelerate projects without leaving your software, and supercharge your experience with the Business Cloud, an end-to-end solution that not only incorporates e-signature, but PDF editing and document workflow automation.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments or click the link in the description and get your free 7-day trial that you can cancel anytime.